Okay, we have a question on the board. And what does the question say? A solution of sodium carbonate contains 10.6 grams in 250 cm³ of solution. You have to calculate the concentration of the solution in mole per dm³. You're also given that sodium has a relative molecular mass or molar mass of 106 grams per mole. So we have to calculate the concentration of the sodium carbonate in mole per dm³. Now, how do we go about this solution? We use the formula concentration in gram per dm³ is equals to what? Concentration in mole per dm³ times molar mass. If you know this, you're almost done with this equation. Now the concentration, the mass concentration is given to us. You call this concentration in gram per dm³ or what? Mass concentration. Concentration in gram per dm³ and concentration in mole per dm³. Now, we know this as the mass of the substance dissolved in 250. But you have to know the concentration in what? In 1000, that's in dm³. This is in cm³. We have to convert it to what? 1 dm³. But before that, let's make concentration in mole per dm³ the subject of formula. So we're going to have concentration in mole per dm³ will be equals to what? Concentration in mole per dm³ will be equals to what? Concentration, divide both sides by molar mass. Concentration in grams per dm³. Divide by what? The molar mass. Now we have been given the molar mass as 106. Let's find the concentration in gram per dm³. Now, remember, we have been given that 106 grams is dissolved in 250 cm³. So we have to ask for what grams will be in 1000, because 1 dm³ is equals to what? 1000 cm³. 1 dm³ is equivalent to what? 1000 cm³. So if 106 grams is dissolved in 250, what quantity will be in 1000 to maintain the same concentration? So we're going to say S gram now will be equals to what? Remember our cross multiplication, you cross multiply, S gram will be equals to 10.6 times 1000 divided by what? 250. If you press your calculator, this will give you 42.4 grams. 42.4 grams here per dm³. So we have known our mass concentration in gram per dm³. We know our molar mass. Now we can know our concentration in mole per dm³. So this will be equals to what now? This will be equals to 42.4. This concentration in gram per dm³ over molar mass divided by the given molar mass 106. You press your calculator, what do you get? Your final answer is what? Final answer is supposed to be 0.4 moles per dm³. So this is how to go about a question like this. If you find this helpful, do not forget to follow us, like, share, and comment.